Ate, look. Shapes. Where is the circle? Very good. How about the rectangle? Good job. Next, triangle. Triangle. Good triangle. Sige, go. You can do it. There you go. Next, square. Fix the square. Go, go, go. Ate, go. Let's go. Next, pentagon. Okay, next, circle. Oh, do not remove this one. Thank you. Triangle. Pentagon. Square. Square. Eyes on your work. Go fix it. Okay, rectangle. Square. Pentagon. Triangle. Circle. Circle. Rectangle. Square. Pentagon. Triangle. And rectangle. Very good. High five. Good job. Finish this one. Where is the color? Green. Color green. Ate. Oh no. Again, green. Where's the color green? Uh-oh. Again, green. Look at the color. Green. There you go. Green. Next, how about color? Yellow. Yellow. Where's the color yellow? Very good. Next, color blue. How about color blue? Where are you? Very good. Next, orange. Color orange. Where's the color orange? Uh-oh. Try again. Orange. Uh-oh. Try again. Look for the orange one. Orange. Right here. Orange. Next, color red. Red. Where's the color red? Uh-oh. Again. Red. Red. There you go. Next, purple. 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 Very good. Next one, gray. Gray. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Gray. Oh no. Again, gray. Okay, next, pink. Color pink. Oh, where is it? Where's the color pink? Again. Try again. Pink. Oh no, ate. Look for the color pink. Where's the color pink? Oh no. Again. Try again. Pink. Look, ate. It's here, oh. Look. Pink. See? Finish. Give teacher a high five. High five. Look for the shadow of each pictures, okay? Where's the school bus? It's a school bus. Beep, beep. School bus. Very good. Okay, next. How about that? Let's fly the helicopter. Where's the helicopter? Nice one. How about the car? Vroom, vroom. Car. Good job. Next, hot air balloon. Where is it? Good job, ate. Next, how about the rocket? Rocket. Where is it? Very good. Okay, last one. Spaceship. Where is it? Yay! High five, teacher. Good job. Look for letter A. Where's the letter A? A. Oh, letter A. A. Oh, no. Where's the letter A? A. Ayun. Next. B. Letter B. Where is it? B. C. Very good. C. Letter D. Where is it? Where is it? Letter D. Oh, again. D. D. Look mo. Right here, oh. D. Next, letter E. Where's the letter E? Oh, E. Look, ate. E. Here, again. E. Next, F. F. Where's the letter F? F. Okay, next. G. G. H. H. I. Letter I. Very good. I. Next. Next one. How about letter J? Letter J. Where's the letter J? Right here. Here. J. K. Very good. Next. L. Where's the letter L? Uh-oh. Again. L. No. Again. L. Look. L. L. Next. M. M. Very good. N. Next. Letter N. Look. N. N. Oh, look mo muna po. N. Oh, eyes here. Eyes here. Look. N. Look. Ate. Ate Hazel. Again. Look at your work first. Look. N. N. Ayusin mo po. Ayusin po. Ayusin. N. Look. Eyes here. Ate, look. Hazel. Hazel, look. Eyes here. Focus on your work. N. Right here. O. N. Next. O. Letter O. Hazel, look. O. O. Again. Look at your work. O. Next. P. Q. Q. R. Next. R. R. Where is it? R. Very good. Next one. Ate Hazen, finish your work first. S. S. Next. T. Next one. Next one. No, focus on your work. Focus on your work. Finish your work. Letter T. 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 Here. T. U. V. Eyes here. Eyes here. V. Oh, look. V. Where's the letter V? W. W, go put. W. X. Y. Where's the Y? Look, where is the letter Y? Uh-oh, again, Y. No, again, Y. Look my letter. Z. Okay, very good. High five. High five. We're gonna insert, okay? Insert. Yellow. Where? Here, here, here. Insert. Next. Insert. Right here. Purple. Next. Go. Purple. Ate here on the top. Go push. Okay, next. Try again. Here, here, here.
Good.
Next one. Purple.
Next,
Go
how about
here.
the cheek?
Push.
The mom's chicken.
Push. Very good.
Good. Next one.
Next. One more.
How about the fish?
Push.
The fish
Where's the
bowl.
teacher? Push.
Here.
Very good. Good job. Next. Push. Sige, sige. You can do it. Push. Okay. Last one. Go ate. Push. Okay, very good. Give teacher a high five. Good job. Oh, okay. You want to put it back? Put it back inside. Get one like this. Get one and insert. Next. Get one. Here, get. Get one. Insert. Oh, look mo yung hole. Okay, next. Here, look. Pull. Okay, next. Go. Pull. Very good. Good job. Next one.